Hey, have you ever been to Lake Placid?
Did you bring your parka? No, I've never been there.
Oh, well, let's go. But yeah, the forecast, well, let's just say, I hope you brought your parka. But you know what? If you wait for the perfect day or the perfect weather, you'll never go. Oh, wait, how's the beer?
Silent beer is delicious. I might take a sip. I'm walking across the street, so.
It's hard to believe, but 1/3 of all of New York State is the Adirondack Park. The Adirondack chair, yes, was made here. In 1903, Thomas Lee wanted to design a comfortable chair that would recline with nice wide armrests. And there's plenty of wood around, and yep, it's the Adirondack chair. Do you know that Lake Placid is the only place in the United States to host 2 Winter Olympics? In 1932 and then again in 1980. People remember Miracle on Ice. But you know the real miracle? The real miracle is all around us. It's just looking at this incredible beauty and nature and what is right here in front of us. That's the real miracle. I've never seen a lake so appropriately named. This truly is a mirror lake. Well, folks, here we are. We're literally on the water. This is so funny.
This is much better.
This is fantastic, huh? You and me, babe. Who's that handsome guy up there? Yeah, those mountains are gorgeous. It's so fun that we're just sitting right here in the middle of the lake. This is Mirror Lake. Now this is how you celebrate your 60th birthday. Thank you, honey.
I love you, Dal.